the Statue of Liberty.
Today, we're replacing the daylighters on my Silverado. Why are we replacing the whole thing instead of just the bulbs or the lenses? Funny you should ask. So the nuts are seized to the studs that come out the bottom of the housing, and where that stud goes into the housing is stripped. So the whole thing just spins. So I'm gonna go with some heat, big 3/4 inch socket, and some vice grips, and see what I can do. So I had this really cool segue plan where I tell you I'm going to go get the heat and the socket and the vice grips, and then I come back with the Sawzall, cut them off, and then look at the camera and say, I changed my mind. But I tried that and this ate right through the tip, right through the teeth of my Sawzall. So I did wind up coming back with the vice grip and the wrench and some heat and some penetrating oil. So we'll see where that takes us. When in doubt, drill it out. People say that, right? What's up, bud?
Tonight there's a full moon, and when it's really late, can I ask to go out and see it?
You want to see the full moon tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Really late when I'm in bed.
Oh, well, maybe we'll pull you out of bed to see the full moon. What do you think about that?
That's another camera.
Yeah, that's my camera.
Take a picture of me being the statue.
It's taking a video.
I'm the Statue of Liberty.
You're the Statue of Liberty? All right, scoot back inside, bud. New day, new plan. Instead of messing around with the Sawzall, I'm just gonna zip them off with the angle grinder. I'm going to pop these tabs off so I can take this whole panel off so it's easier for me to fit my giant hands down behind the grill. What's the matter, bud? What? What's the matter?
I want ice cream.
You can't have ice cream. It's 11:30 in the morning. I know you want ice cream. You can't have ice cream. Go give this back to Mom.
You're not getting ice cream!
I want ice cream.
I understand that, but no!
I want ice cream.
It's 11:28 in the morning. You're not getting ice cream.
I want ice cream.
Maybe after lunch, okay?
I finished the lunch.
You didn't finish lunch. Mom didn't even cook it yet. These are the new lights. Let's see. I already see this a little bit different as far as the connectors. See what that's about. Alright, let's see. So we don't need the relay because we have a relay already. Don't need a switch because we have a switch already. That's our relay connector, so we just plug this into the existing relay that we've got. I'm guessing these plug into the back of the lights. And then there's, I think this will go to the switch, the white wire. Let's see. Well, let's dig it first. Yep. Funky connector goes into the back of the lights, which is a little different. Okay. Coming out of the relay. Let's see. Funky plug is a light. This funky plug is a light. Black goes to ground. Green goes to the switch. We have that already, so I might just splice that in. What is on the other end of this? This is the switch side. Ground load supply. Supply is white. Ground is black and load is green. If we don't need those, I'll figure out how to splice those in because I've already got the wiring in the cab. Yellow wire should be fused. It is. Okay, pretty easy. And as far as the lights go, I'll get back in there. I am going to change out the bulbs, I think. I think these are 100-watt bulbs in here. The original daylighters came with 150-watt sealed beams, but they were only good for probably 15 or 20 hours. They went bad pretty quick. I think these shipped with 100-watt bulbs. And I have a set of 130 watts that I pulled out of the lights that I ripped out of there. Let's open it up and see what we got. $100 watts. So we are going to change these out. There we go. One done. I'll just replace the light on the other side. Now that we've got the bulbs replaced in the lights, we're going to go ahead and work on the electricals. I'm going to replace this relay anyway, even though the old one's still good. It doesn't hurt to get some new parts in here. You know, it's right here and we have it. It doesn't really make any sense not to. So we're just going to zip the new relay into that same hole. So we'll put a little dielectric grease on. So we're going to snip the wire that's running to the switch inside the cab, which is the green wire. I'm just going to snip it here. Tighten that up. instead of mounting that to the body, I'll just mount this right to the negative terminal. Fused. Is it big? It is big. I got a fix for that. So I'm just going to replace this ring terminal with a larger one, uninsulated, and I'll just put some heat shrink over it. Will that fit? No. This one's big. She'll fit. Yeah, it should be all right. Perfect. It's good crimp. Got the ground on. I just have to splice this green back on. So let's start maneuvering down wiring through the lights. Because I believe that's all we got. That is all we got. So before we go too far, let's plug them in and make sure that they work. All right, let's see if we've got power. The switch lit up, so that's good. And look at that, we got light. All right, let's tighten them down. I am going to load these up with anti-seize, so hopefully 16 years from now, when I go to replace these again, I can actually get the old ones off without cutting them off. That should be good. So I'm just going to ballpark aiming these And I'll aim them tonight. That's a success. Now I do have some nice rock guards for these, but they're also 16 years old. They're a steel mesh rock guard. So they're all getting powder coated. Powder coaters had them for about 2 weeks and just haven't done them yet. So these will have to do for now. I'm not crazy about the look of these on the front of this truck. I think they look alright if I had a light bar on top. But this will do for now, just so they don't get broken. That's it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.